How to allow Facebook to access your files and media on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your Facebook application is updated to its latest version. So just go on the Play Store and search for Facebook application. Now as you tap on it, you can see if the app has any updates available or not. Now as you can see, there are no updates available, so I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me directly to the home page. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the settings of the device, then scroll down and you can find the option of apps. Tap on apps, then tap on manage apps. Now on the search bar, you can just search for Facebook application, or you can just scroll down and find the application. Now here is the Facebook application. Tap on that, then you can see the option of app permission over here. Just tap on that. So here you can see the option of files and media. It has been disabled right now, so just make sure that you go into the files and media and give an access to media and files. Now go back and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.